Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a My Pet Simulator X dragon. Now, if there are other ones of these videos you would like me to draw, definitely let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to get them. But thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Now, to start off with this, let's begin by making a straight line down for the side of the face. So I want to start right here, and I'm going to draw a straight line down. Now, starting here, let's go ahead and make a line that comes across. And then let's come over here, we'll make a line that's going to come across over here. Next, let's go ahead and draw a line that's going to come straight down to connect it for our square shape. Now, I want to make the face inside of here for our dragon. So let's start here. Let's begin with the eyes. The first thing I'm going to do to make the eyes is I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and then down. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to come up and down with a curve. I'll do the same thing over here. I'll leave some space, and I'm going to come up and down. And I'm leaving the one part a little bit higher. Now let's do the same thing here. I'm going to come down and then up to here. And then same thing here. I'm going to go down and then up to here. Now, for the pupils, they're going to be kind of like this exact same shape, but they're going to go up and down. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to curve this, and then I'm going to curve this. Same thing here. I'm going to curve it out and in, and then same thing here, out and then in. Then I'm just going to go ahead and color in the pupil, just like this. So we'll color in each pupil just to fill it in. We're not going to leave any parts of it white or anything like that. We're just going to make it completely black inside there. Now the next step is let's make the mouth. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come over and then up, kind of like a little smiley face shape. Next, I'm going to make a little black dot inside each one, kind of at an angle. Now, our next step is to make some teeth. So I'm going to draw 3 teeth. I'm just going to go down and up, down and up, and down and up like this. Now, I want to make the side of our dragon. So let's begin right here. We're going to draw a line that's going to come down at an angle. And then we'll just come straight over here. And then I'm going to make a little wing in here before I do anything else. So let's begin our wing by drawing a little line that comes straight down. Then I'm going to curve this line up to here. Then I'm going to curve this line down. Next, I'm going to go up and down with a sad face. I'll do another one here. And then one that connects right to here. Next, I'm going to draw 2 lines that come down here. And then I'm going to draw 2 lines that come down here, kind of at an angle. Next, let's draw a line that comes down. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that comes up at an angle and then straight up to connect. Now, I want to make some feet down here. So I'm going to start here. Let's begin by drawing a little diagonal line, and then one more right here. Then we'll just connect it with a straight line across. Then I'm just going to bring this line up to here. We'll do the same thing. We're just going to go down, over, and up. And then we'll just bring this line straight up here. Now, the last thing we want to do is we want to make the horns on here. So to draw the horns, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a nice diagonal line. Then I'm going to go this way. And then I'm going to go like this. Next, we're going to come down. We're going to go out and down again. Now, starting here, I'm going to go down. I'm going to come out and then down at an angle. Starting here, I'm going to go up at an angle. Then we'll come in and then back up. Next, I'm going to go down. I'm going to come out and then down like this. Right here, I'm going to go down. We'll come down at an angle, and then we're just going to go down like this. And then over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down like this for a little spike. And there you go. There is your drawing of a My Pet Simulator X dragon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.